guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm so glad you are joining me for today's video. Today's video is a clean after dark with me, or an after dark clean with me, whichever way. But anyways, I am cleaning. It is after dark, but it starts to get dark around 7 now. So the boys are still up for about 30 more minutes. I try to have them in bed between 7:30 and 8:30, so you will see them bouncing around some. And it also will have some clips in it from earlier in that day when we are just prepping some stuff for Luke's birthday, which is the following day after I filmed this video, which is the day that I am editing the video, if any of that makes sense. Today's video is super inspirational and lots of cleaning motivation going on. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and let's get started. So before I get into cleaning up after dinner and just tidying up the house in this after dark clean with me, I am going to feed Jonah this fresh pet dog food. It is fresh dog food that you keep in your refrigerator. It's made of natural ingredients, and no, this is not a sponsored video, but we really like this food for him. Jonah is now 13 years old, and since he is an older dog, he just has more trouble chewing the harder food, so he really likes this food. He actually loves it.
Know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
So who else has to light a candle while they're cleaning? I love having a candle burning while I'm cleaning up the house. Also, this is a Christmas scent from Target, and I'm really thinking about doing a Bath and Body haul. If you are interested in that, leave down in the comments below that you would be interested in watching a video on a Bath and Body haul, and leave down below what your favorite scented candles are.
Mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Skip the small talk.
First, I thought that there were these little white specks in the video frames, like I thought something was wrong with my new camera, but these are little bubbles that were flying around after I had used some soap.
Nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
So I wanted to show you guys how I cleaned my stovetop, and I kind of let it get a little too bad. So I definitely wanted to show you in this video, but I start off by using a razor blade to scrape off all of the food that has spilled onto it and dried or cooked on, and then usually I go in with this cleaner and scrub, but it had gotten really bad. So before I did the cleaner that goes specifically with this stovetop, I used some of my Method Anti-Bac to wipe off some of the dirt, and then I went in and scrubbed it. After I scrub it, I go over it with a paper towel and buff it out. It still looked pretty bad, so I went back over it with some Method Anti-Bac, and I kind of did that a couple different times because I wanted to clean the back of it, and there was just, it was really bad. So I did wait too long to give it a good cleaning, but here it is, all done now. This stove is several years old, if not like 5 years old. I don't know, I don't really remember, but you can see it does have lots of scratches, and there are some spots that look like food, and I can't get those off, but from far back or without the light just shining on it, it does look clean. So I am happy with that, and I will take that.
Right here, I swear that I will stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So like I said earlier in the video, I just wanted to get a few things ready for Luke's birthday, which is the following day after I'm recording this. So we are putting together some favors that will be sent to his school for his classmates, and then we're working on getting the piñata stuffed, as well as I am wrapping a couple of his gifts. He had a few, but I'm only wrapping 2 here. One is a small plush creeper from Minecraft, and then the other is a dirt bike helmet that he wanted that he will ride with his regular bicycle. But those are some things he asked for, so that is what we got him. And so I decided to go ahead and wrap some presents, get these favors put together, and then get the piñata ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop.
That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this after dark clean with me. Here I am going to just show you what it looks like after I finished. I do still have a pile of papers left on the kitchen table that I just did not feel like getting around to. And then you saw I stuffed his 2 presents way up high so Jack could not get them. And then I have a pile of birthday stuff that will be gone the following day because it's his birthday. So we will be getting into all of that good stuff. But I just wanted to thank you again for watching my video today. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe. I am so close to 100 subscribers, so please, if you haven't already, subscribe, get me to that 100, and we will do a giveaway. Make sure you have your bell notification turned on, because the next video, if I have reached 100 subscribers, will be the giveaway, and I will give you all of the details and what the giveaway is, and I hope you guys enjoy that also. I will see you in my next one. Bye!